I got a piece of 1-inch square tubing I got clamped on here for a straight edge. So I can get a straight cut there with this tool right here. I'm sure there's a lot better ways to patch the bottom of a door, but this is the way I'm doing it. First thing I've done, welded this 1/2 inch square where it would be the same height as the floor. So when I shut the door, it runs right along there. And actually I could put a piece of weather stripping on the door side and have a seal here if I wanted to. Next thing I've done, I cut me a piece of sheet metal, same curve as that. I used I made a template and marked the template along the edge of this, so this would be the same curve as this door panel. Then I used my shear and cut me some pieces and broke 1/2 inch over, bent it over for the bottom side. That'll be the bottom lip. And the good news is when I bent that lip over, it kind of automatically put a curve in that piece just like I needed it. So that's gonna go there. Then another piece, finish it out, and I cut it off 1.5 inches longer and roll it over just like you would do a door skin on that edge there on both sides. And on the inside, tag it to this piece. Oh yeah, this here, that's hard to see, but anyway, I welded on the inside, I welded a little strip right on the half and half like that. So this other piece of metal, when it goes there to hold it flush, so I got a lot better chance of getting the metal flushed up with the other piece when I weld it up. I'm gonna try it out. Like I said, there's probably better ways to do this, but this is the way I'm doing it. I got this piece of round cut, fit that hole, and I got that piece on the back side with the magnet to hold it in place while I tack it in there. This batch panel here, a little complicated, but I got it. Bead roll first, and put it in brake and bend this over a little bit more, and put it in brake and bend this a little bit. Then I put it over my leg. And made this little bend a little bit right there. It's gonna look something like that. It ain't gonna be perfect, but man, this is gonna be so close. It's gonna be real close for a rat rod. I got this antenna hole I wanna plug right there. So got my super strong rare earth magnet, and I got a piece of sheet metal here that I'm gonna put behind where it'll be flush. I'm gonna take the magnet right there, hold that piece of sheet metal, and I got another piece of sheet metal that I cut to fit that hole right there. So now I can tack it in there. Right there. Little body filler, call that done. That come out all right. I was kind of worried about if I was gonna be able to get that. But hey, I think it come out pretty good myself. Okay, got them spots fixed. Got a lot big gap at the bottom of the door on the passenger side, but hey, it's a rat rod, that's fine. I could fix it, but I'm just gonna leave it. Now I gotta work on this. I gotta fix that. Don't look too good. And especially back here on both sides. And too close to the tire there. I gotta fix that both sides. So yep, work on that now. Red, he's ready. His legs a little short there, but other than that, he's ready. Ha ha! Light it up, Bob! I'm ready to go burn me some rubber out there. Yeah, been hard at it. Hot today too, been working hard. Okay, I'm ready to break it down and paint it. Gonna take it all apart, paint each piece, put it back together, put a good motor or transmission in it. Alright, appreciate you.